Welcome back to our channel. Today we're taking you on a ride through the most mind-blowing inventions of 2024. These groundbreaking innovations are changing the game, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. So let's get started. Zeeth's Robo-Taxi. Imagine getting into a taxi without a driver. That's what Zeeth's, an AI-powered, fully autonomous taxi, promises. It uses a mix of sensors, cameras, radars, and LiDAR to navigate the streets with ease. While it maxes out at 75 miles per hour, for safety purposes, it often stays at a cool 35 miles per hour. Zeeth's isn't just a glimpse of the future, it's proof that fully autonomous vehicles are already transforming transportation. As of now, Zeeth's is being used to shuttle employees between office buildings, and soon, it could be on the streets of your city. Liberty three-wheeled flying car. Traffic jams could soon be a thing of the past with the Liberty, a vehicle capable of flying above the congested roads. Powered by a 100-horsepower engine, this three-wheeler can reach a speed of 100 miles per hour on the road, and once it's ready to take off, it needs 1,000 feet of road to lift into the air. Liberty is designed to soar at altitudes up to 11,500 feet. Core Power Ocean Wave Buoy. Core Power's ocean wave generator is another standout. This bright yellow buoy harnesses the power of the ocean by swaying with the waves to generate energy. Equipped with wave spring technology, the buoy can move twice as far as the waves, making it 350% more efficient than its competitors. While current models produce 600 kilowatts of power, future designs are expected to reach 850 kilobars, making it a leading player in the renewable energy sector. Vero, the robotic trash collector. Vero is here to make littering obsolete. Developed by the Italian Technology Institute, Vero uses neural networks and cameras to find and pick up trash autonomously. It's currently focusing on cigarette butts, sucking them up with a hose into a backpack strapped to its back. While it may look lazy as it slowly walks around, Vero represents the future of robotic cleaning systems. Soon we could have robots like Vero cleaning cities around the world. Hoverfly, drones with unlimited flight time. Meet Hoverfly, the drone that can stay airborne for days or even weeks, thanks to its innovative tethered power system. Unlike regular drones, which need to land to recharge, Hoverfly receives power through a cable connected to a ground unit. While it lacks mobility, it excels at surveillance and rescue operations. Firefighters, rescuers, and the military could use Hoverfly for constant monitoring of critical areas, ensuring safety and fast responses to emergencies. Airbag jeans for motorcyclists. Mocycle has taken motorcycle safety to the next level with airbag jeans. These jeans aren't just stylish, they're designed to inflate during accidents, protecting the rider's legs in a crash. If a rider is thrown off their bike too abruptly, the airbags automatically deploy, significantly reducing the chance of injury. They come in various styles, with prices ranging from $775 to $100. Magic Leap 2, augmented reality like never before. Magic Leap 2 takes augmented reality to a new level. This headset lets you overlay digital graphics on the real world with stunning resolution. With a 70-degree field of view, it offers visuals at 14:40 760 resolution per eye, 120 Hz refresh rate, and 4K video recording. The headset's advanced sensors and inertial measurement units provide an immersive experience that blurs the line between reality and virtuality. Priced at $3,300 to $5,000, Magic Leap 2 is perfect for professionals and tech enthusiasts alike. Floating farms. In areas prone to floods like Bangladesh, floating farms are not only ingenious, they're life-saving. These farms are built on buoyant platforms made from the weed called a hin, allowing crops to grow on water without being affected by rising water levels. As the platforms float, they rise with floodwaters, ensuring that crops continue to grow in regions where land-based farming isn't possible. Floating farms could soon be the answer to food production in flood-prone areas worldwide. Dogfight Boss, virtual reality flight simulator. If you've ever dreamed of flying a fighter jet but don't have the stomach for heights, the Dogfight Boss simulator is for you. This VR experience combines a high-tech headset with a moving platform to create the sensation of flight. You can choose from various aircraft models, including the Boeing 737 or a fighter jet. It's so realistic that you'll forget you're still on the ground. Perfect for aspiring pilots or thrill seekers, Dogfight Boss brings the sky to your living room. Viscon Hydroponics System. Vicon has revolutionized indoor farming with its fully automated hydroponic system. The process is simple. Workers place trays with seedlings and the machines take care of the rest. They move the plants along the farm, replenish the water with nutrients, and even assist in harvesting. Vicon's system minimizes human intervention, making farming faster, more efficient, and scalable. It's a glimpse into the future of food production, where machines will do most of the heavy lifting. Motion-activated sprinklers. Picture this. The police are chasing a suspect onto your lawn, but they've got no idea what's about to hit them. Say hello to the motion-activated sprinklers by Howard and Aqua Joe, your home's first line of defense. With infrared sensors that cover a massive area, 1,000 square feet for Howard and 5,700 square feet for Aqua Joe, these sprinklers unleash a powerful water blast that can surprise any intruder. They might not stop the police, but they'll certainly catch anyone off guard while keeping your plants hydrated. Electric wingsuit by BMW. Next up, we have an invention that's redefining extreme sports, the world's first electric wingsuit, brought to life by BMW and professional flyer Peter Salzman. Imagine soaring through the skies at speeds of 300 kilometers per hour by two electric motors generating 20 horsepower. With just 12 kilos of weight, the wingsuit offers about 5 minutes of flight time, allowing adrenaline junkies to experience the thrill of flying like never before. Motion Pro 2 Truck Simulator. Racing enthusiasts, buckle up. The Motion Pro 2 Truck Simulator by CXC Simulations is your dream come true. Built on an authentic car chassis, this simulator mimics the experience of driving a massive 2.3-ton truck. Feel the wind rush past you as fans kick on when you pick up speed. Every detail, from the steering wheel to the pedals, functions exactly like a real truck, all while you're strapped into a virtual reality headset. If you're ready to drop $125,000, this is the ultimate driving simulator for those who crave the real deal. Jebel Jais Flight Zipline. Adventure seekers, listen up. The Jebel Jais flight in the UAE is the world's longest zipline, offering a heart-pounding 3-minute ride. Feel like Superman as you zoom through the air on this 2.83-kilometer-long zipline, soaring above stunning mountain landscapes. North windsurfing sails. Next, let's take to the water. North windsurfing sails have set the gold standard for high-performance windsurfing. With advanced 3D molding and aramid fibers that are 5 times stronger than steel, these sails are 30% lighter than their competitors. North's cutting-edge technology helps athletes like French windsurfer Antoine Albo reach incredible speeds, like 98.6 kilometers per hour. Whether you're a pro or just an enthusiast, these sails will take your windsurfing experience to new heights. Space Modules by Max Space Engineers. Get ready for space travel with Max Space Engineers modular habitats. These expandable modules start at just 2 cubic meters and grow to 20 cubic meters once deployed in space. With future designs potentially reaching 1,000 cubic meters, they're set to rival the size of the ISS. Perfect for storage or residential use, these modules are cost-effective, coming in at just $200 million. Sirocco high-speed sailing vessel. Speed on water has never looked this good. The Sirocco team is pushing the limits of high-speed sailing with a vessel designed to exceed 150 kilometers per hour, a combination of hydrofoils and a kite-like sail. Utilizing supercavitation similar to torpedoes, the boat almost seems to fly over the water. Sirocco's on-watch system also provides real-time data for operators, making it one of the most advanced and exciting sailing vessels in development today. X sensors for home security. Home security just got smarter with X sensors. These infrared detection systems are highly accurate, reducing false alarms by discerning between real threats and harmless objects. With double modulation technology, these sensors are resistant to natural and artificial light, making them more reliable than ever. That's it for today's roundup of the most ingenious inventions that have reached a new level in 2024. Which one of these innovations blew your mind? Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button. Like these inventions smashed through the boundaries of technology.